Is your tumble dryer in a bit of a funk? Are your clothes coming out smelling a bit whiffy? Well, let me show you what you can do about it. Hi, Bryn here. Now that musty, damp smell is caused by bacteria building up on damp clothes and inside your machine. And that bacteria builds up when your dryer can't do its job and dry your clothes effectively, leaving you with damp, smelly clothes. Here are the top 3 reasons why your dryer might be having a hard time. So, number 1, don't overload your dryer. You'd be surprised at how common a problem this is, but customers overloading their dryer is one of the main problems our engineers have to face. Now, all tumble dryers have load recommendations, but as a general rule, you want to make sure you can get a hand width in above the line of your clothes. If you're having to reach in and up, then that's too much load. Number 2, keep your lint filter clean. Ideally, the lint filter in your dryer should be cleaned after each drying cycle. It should be see-through like this. If it isn't, simply remove the lint and fluff and rinse it under warm water. Number 3, if your dryer is a vented dryer, that's a machine that vents the warm, moist air outside via a vent hose like this one, then you need to ensure the inside of your vent hose is completely clear of any blockages. So get your vacuum cleaner out and give the inside a bit of a clean. So there you go, 3 quick solutions to ensure that your dryer is actually drying effectively. However, there are a couple of products to aid your fight against the pong. The first is this rather odd looking W Pro dryer ball. The idea is that you pop it into your dryer during the drying process and it actually lifts and separates your laundry, aiding the drying process and also reduces creasing. And depending on use, these can last years before needing to be replaced. You can also get dryer fresheners like this W Pro Dryer Lily. Just like the dryer ball, it sits in your machine during the load and gives your clothes a pleasant fresh smell. To order dryer balls or dryer lilies, or to chat to one of our service team, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.